Welcome to a new video. Hey guys, here we are again. This video is going to be a little different. Honestly, Chelas has helped me a lot with the Zeta. Really, every time I say, oh, Chelas, come over, he comes right away.
We're on it.
And just now he told me he wanted to change his name to Chelaman. There, as you can see, he has a couple of classic trucks that he's working on. Right now, you're gonna see these Urbans. You have three, right? Three? There's the Fantomas, the Cheyenne, the one you gave me, and the one with the swap. And this is the Suburban, the Silverado, and another Silverado. Yeah, the Suburban is long and the Silverado is short. The Silverado is like the Tahoe. You'll see it in a moment. Chelas wrote asking if the dashboard needed changing. That was when Alonso Drifter thought, now it's my turn to be on the other side. Let's do it. So let's do it, Chelas. Let's do it. Little truck man, let's do it. Are we gonna end up working all night? Yeah, that's true. It's much shorter than the Suburban. It's nice, huh? And look, I love the color. It's kind of purplish, reddish, like lilac, right? But it's funny because in some parts it looks brown. Yeah, in the shadows it looks, you could say it's black. And in others, look like here. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but it looks brown here.
Yeah, kind of brown. Really cool. There are its little kidneys, little wheels, the whole thing.
But we have to change the dashboard because it's broken. And we have the new one right there. Let's do this, man. Are we staying here all night? Dude, with your arm up like a boss? Dude, hey. Why don't they make trucks like this anymore? It looks great with two doors and a short body. Is it recording? Go ahead. Well, yeah, dude, go ahead, you record. Taking it off is easy, dude. Putting it back together is gonna be... The assembly is the problem, dude. You already had it taken apart, dude. Now, man, we know the system. There's the stereo, man. It already has a little screen, man. It's not old, but it will be updated. Is that correct? He removed the faceplate and glove compartment, and we're moving fast. Next up, the stereo, air controls, cluster, and accessories. Does the cluster come out this way? Yeah, that's strange. It's just 4 screws. You remove them and it comes right out. No cable needed. There's a connector in the back. Wow, right now. Good. We like it. Let's see, Galen. And here we steal cars, guys. It also has a backup camera. Did you mention that? Okay, bring the truck back. I mean, when we equip it the right way. That's right. And that's it. Out of the unit. Now Alonso Drifter is taking things apart. I told you, was it 7 or 6? I think 7 or 6. We have the tool, man, so it's an extension, dude. But do you already have the right tool, right? That's just loosening it by hand. The problem is the one down there. Yeah, exactly. And now, just pull it toward you, turn it from the top first. No, put it back like that, and that's it. Yeah, it's out. Cool that they come out like that. Now it got a bit complicated. Turns out you have to remove the whole column, so you have to push it out from over there. Literally. This whole steering wheel is going to come out this way so we can fit the dashboard, because there's a tube in this tube that literally goes across here. This is where that goes. So we have to... It's fine, it's more work, but it's not that... It hasn't been too complicated for us. Read this. Dad, we're not that complicated. Just 4 nuts, right? It's a little more complicated than we thought. And we have to lower it just as it is and take everything off. Well, yeah, the whole harness and everything that's in the back, so we're just taking it step by step. Right now, we just removed this screw to take out the whole air conditioning unit, and it's coming along. Now, we really think it's going to come out, and there's nothing in the way anymore, according to our calculations. Did you get it out? Yes, that's it. It was nothing, man. My friend got it out. Come on, Chapaka. Hold on, leaner there. What do you think? Beers? A lot of work. Oh yeah, a lot. Ooh. Just seeing that makes me want to have a cold one. Throw in the towel and let's go. Throw in the towel and a little pool. Now comes the good part. Assembling. If you want to have some fun, Chelas is having a round with the handbrake cable and the air conditioning. Do you think we'll beat the daylight? The sun? Yeah. Right now, the tricky part coming up is the steering. No, it's not complicated. It's just 4 bolts. Plus, just disconnect what we already did. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it takes a while, but the dashboard is already up. Now we just have to put back together the cables we had to cut. Stereo. Yeah, that's right, man. Inside, once it's in, no problem. Houston, damn, there's a connector in the way that's bothering us. Had you already put it in or what? Yeah, but it came out quickly. Let me see, Galan, go into the little hole. Hold on. I need to connect that one before pushing. Does it fit? Yeah, it's in place now. Go ahead. We ran out of daylight, but now it's just the finishing touches, and we've already done the complicated part. That's right. Should I give it a try? Yes, I heard it, the first click. Oh, we need to check if you can hear it. Learning Portuguese is one thing, you know. No way, I forget. Ah, do you have the subwoofer under the seats? But remember, there's copyright. That's right. Maybe we need to take it out, but let's pretend we're passing the bomb. No, but it worked well. Everything turned out fine. I don't know what the minimum should be, but well, it works. You can hear it well. We're doing fine. We're already putting it together, and to finish, we're almost done. Same with the columns. Yeah, just me. It's a 2-day job. Dude, yeah, it takes you a while. They're putting on the finishing touches, guys. We're getting to the end, but it's done now. Look, it's done. Mr. All Done. Tomorrow during the day, Chelas is going to give us some beauty shots because we can't do them today. We ran out of daylight. It was rough, but we finished. Honestly, I thought we'd finish much later since we were falling behind. Anyway, it's time to eat, my friend. Chelas is treating us to big pizzas now, right? Let's go. That's right. You know it, man. That never fails. We spent all our money on food, so what now? Did we take down the little lamp? Yeah, that's how we end today's video. Well, no, we're gonna finish it with some pizza and a beer. But hey, you still need to send us the photos. Yeah, that's right. Tomorrow I'll upload a video. I'll send a little video. But well, the followers have to see it today. Yeah, right now. In fact, right now the videos that Chelas recorded are going to show up after the beers, after the pizza. Here we go, go. All right, guys. This is how the dashboard ended up, all set up with all its caps and its air conditioning. And right now, well, it's in the shop. Because that day, at the drifter's house, it started leaking oil. And it turns out, yes, but they fixed the crankshaft. It already needed to be replaced, but that's how it ended up. Guys, many thanks to Alonso Drifter for helping us change it, and I send you all my regards. But what do you think, brothers? Do you like it? Can you see me there? Yeah, do you like it? Should we make this kind of different content? Because honestly, we do this every day. Yeah, we do it all the time. And there are times when I don't record because it's not my car. I sometimes think they won't be interested, but maybe they'll like it. Or maybe they'd like to see a little more of these kinds of things on Alonso Drifter's channel. But anyway, the little golf could, Chela is building a golf. I don't want to talk about that anymore. He's building a little golf. Is he swapping it with a Cupra? Was it a 1.8 turbo with 20 valves? But he left it unfinished. I'm not going to say anything anymore, but we're working on the wiring. Anyway, let's go get some pizza. Leave your comments below. What did you think? See you next time, folks. Leave it.